Specialty Mustang time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a beauty, 2006 Saleen Mustang S281 Supercharged Convertible. And listen to this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 12,952 on the odometer is all right now. As you can see, sequential number 370 of the Saleen build in 2006. So underneath the hood, 4.6 liter or 281 cubic inch. Supercharged V8 that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You can see the front, Saleen fascia, Saleen grille. All right, still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside of this car. Engine bay, interior, top up, top down, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Brand new tires replaced due to age. And as you can see, the chrome alloy Saleen wheels, referred to as the wagon wheels. And behind those wheels, you're going to see slotted rotors. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car is really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You do notice it does have the stubby antenna on here. We also have the stock one. I'll put that back in the trunk. For those of you that would prefer the original antenna, I'll send it with. Dark charcoal interior, leather, Saleen bucket seats. There's the center console with that 5-speed. The man himself has signed it, Steve Saleen's signature. Black vinyl top, power top. We will put that up here at the end of the video, show you the condition of that. And as usual, Jason gets to take one for a drive again. Have a little fun, show you how it goes down the road. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Center dump exhaust. Parade boot or convertible top cover, and it does come with an extra set of floor mats. You'll see those in the still pictures, as well as a copy of the window sticker, the Eagle One detail kit that would have came with this car brand new from Saleen, and also has the lug wrench with the correct socket so you can use that to remove the wheel if you'd need to. And once again, you'll see all of those in the still pictures with over 100 pictures of this car. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It doesn't matter what year you like or if they're specialty Mustangs, whether it be Roush, Saleen, Shelby. We get them all in a multitude of years. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You won't regret it. Or go back and look through our sold inventory and search Mustangs and check out some of the beautiful cars we've sold here. All right, style bar. Interior, also in very nice shape. Let's take a look at the driver's door panel. If you're familiar with these, this one is looking good. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side. Of course, tilt column, cruise control, and then the AM/FM CD player with the Shaker 500 system to it. All right, exact miles right there, 12,952. You did hear the radio quick there, radio working.
Southern Minnesota's largest indoor camper shows.
Of course, the boost gauge, air temp, dash, good shape. Excellent sounding cars, especially under throttle going down the road. Let's listen. Let me go ahead and pop this hood, get that open so we can take a peek at this engine bay, and then like I said, I'll show you the top going up. We'll take a look at the condition of that, show you going back down, but stick around to the very end. You can see how this car goes down the road. A good look at the underside of the hood. As you can see, just as clean as the rest of the car. And there it is. That supercharged 4.6 liter V8. We have the Saleen cowl plaque up here with the date of production, last of the VIN, that 370 serialization number. There's also the plaque on the dash you'll be able to see in the still pics. Definitely no surprises under the hood on this one. Nice and clean, sounds as it should. All right, let me pause it one more time. I'll get the tripod set up. I want to show you this convertible top going up. And let's check that out. And here's a good look at it with the convertible top up. As you can see, power top functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. So black vinyl, no rips, tears, holes. Looks like it's brand new. Side glass, also rolled that up. You can see side glass has not been tinted. Rear glass has, just so you're aware of that. This is a glass rear window, rear defogger. I'm assuming this top has probably spent more time down than it has up, judging by the condition of it. I guess if this was my car, I would completely understand that. But if you need it to keep you out of the sun, or maybe you want to get the AC on, it's going to work just perfect. Again, no rips, tears, holes. All right, I will show you the top functioning going back down also, and stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this car for a drive. Beautiful 2006 Saleen S281 original mile car. The number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's check out that top going down and see how this thing drives down the road with Jason.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very fun 2006 Ford Mustang Saleen. We have a Saleen autograph on the dash. This is a 5-speed manual for all the most fun you can have. Let's wait till this one car goes by and then see how she does.
Warranty and are made in America.
Stereo's working. turn signal's working, of course. Very fun, very fast car. As you may have noticed, this is also a convertible. We do have the top down today because it is an amazingly beautiful day in Minnesota. Very easy car to drive. All our gauges are working great. The fuel gauge showing 3/4 of a tank. The temperature almost halfway. The volts and oil pressure between 1/2 and 3/4 where they should be. Tachometer on the left and speedometer on the right working as they should. This car with almost 13,000 miles on it. Amazingly new. If you're looking for a Saleen that's pretty much new, this will be one to look for. In red, looking great in red. Let's go down to second gear for this traffic circle. Being the performance edition it is, it doesn't lean at all. This car corners excellently. Now I'm actually taking it easy in the RPMs and it's still got a lot of torque and a lot of fun. Beautiful, comfortable Saleen leather bucket seats. Just beautiful. What more can you ask for a red convertible Mustang that's supercharged Saleen? Take a look at all the pictures of this car and learn about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.